3 years ago, AI was barely able to draw a hand properly, and now it can draw your entire portfolio plus fly through animation with sound, and in a quality you hardly can see that it was made with AI. It's insane. And last couple of months, we entered the world of text-based 3D modeling or speech-based 3D modeling, where you basically just give a big language model instructions and then it will generate your 3D model. It's early days, but just remember how quickly Midjourney turned into a real render tool. This is Rhino AI MCP, and it's like your junior employee who is a bit clumsy, but wait a few months and he will take your mouse. Please model a Zaha Hadid inspired building in Rhino. It looks more like a flower pot, but I mean, to be honest, try to model this. It's not that simple. Okay, I will show you how to install this, and so you can also try it at home. This will just change everything. In future, we might not even use our mouse anymore. We just input by telling AI what it should model. And I show you more just in a bit. Okay, let's jump out of here. So in order to install this, let's head over to Food for Rhino, and we look for Rhino AI CMP. Sorry, AI MCP. Rhino AI MCP. Yes, this one. AI MCP. I don't know why the I is small, but hey. Now I struggle a bit to find where I can see the instructions, but it's just very simple. Download. You first download. Rhino 7 currently doesn't work. It seems that's what it says. And install. And it automatically installs it from, so it asks you to open Rhino. And in order to install, you just go here, more, and then you see the exact instructions. Now, I already installed this, so I don't need to install it again, but basically you seal this, you can say install, and then okay, and that's it. Now, you also need to install Node.js. This is required for MCP to communicate with Rhino. So you can go take this URL and copy that. You need to install as well. Just download and install. You need to install Claude Desktop. I have installed this already, so you can that's how it should look like when you have installed and you have successfully set up your account. You don't need to have a paid account for this. It works with a free plan. Now, you need to go into the file settings and developer settings, and you need to go here into edit config. That opens this, points you to this file, which you open and you copy this portion here. All right. Then you need to close. After this, you need to completely close Claude. Go into your hidden icons and also turn off Claude here. Quit. Okay. So that's key to do. Now, if we go here and input Rhino AI MCP, it will start the server and you're ready to go. And now we can start again Claude, and it will automatically connect to Rhino. If you don't run your Rhino AI MCP, then it will give you an error message. Okay, let's try something else. Can you please model a valley with a river meandering through it? The landscape should have trees. I give it a really hard task, by the way. Should have simple 3D blob shaped trees and shrubs. Okay, let's do it. Let's see what's coming out here. Actually, I completely forgot that I mentioned Rhino, but it still understood what I want. So it will basically create a script which then gets executed within Rhino. It's pretty awesome. Okay, when this is done, it will it's a bit annoying here. This button will turn black, and you can also allow always, then it automatically starts to model it, but I just kept this on. allow once. All right. Now it has an error message. Argument 1 cannot convert from Rhino geometry point 3. It will understand the error and it will rerun the whole script to basically correct the error. It's pretty crazy. All right, let's see. I mean, yes, it created a river, didn't really include it, but what's the fascinating thing is now I can actually tell, okay, great first start. I'm probably too friendly, but yeah, great first start, but the river is not really cutting into the landscape. Yeah, right. You're right. Let me fix that by creating a proper river channel that cuts into the terrain. Okay, let's see. And yeah, you can go through and actually see what it does. It's quite impressive. We might learn from this also. Okay, it's much better, but it looks more like a slide. But you can see how it actually reacts to your input and tries to fix it. I think in a few months this will look way different and insane. I'm really, yeah, I'm shocked. Let's try something else. Okay, well, let's get rid of this. Okay, can you model a pavilion inspired? Okay, can you model a pavilion futuristic pavilion inspired by coral reef structures? Interesting. All right, I'm very curious now. Okay. I mean, yeah, but it's. I mean, it's well, we don't know how pavilions look like in the future, but yeah, it's again. Try to model. Try tell a newbie to model this in the same time. Pretty impressive. Okay, I'm now really bad, but I can't see the coral. Inspiration. Maybe I need to give it an image. Wait, let's see if I can. Coral. Maybe something like this. Okay. Can you try it again? All right, let's see. Oh wow. Hey, but this is, this goes into the right direction. I think. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. I mean, okay, now think of this. This was one of the first images I tried for a project where a refurbishment of an old factory into a housing project with loads of green. What came out. If I run this again now today, what comes out? I mean, it's just insane how this has changed so dramatically. And now we can even animate it. And let's have a look. With reflections. You couldn't even imagine this in 2022. So you do the math. 2022 Mid-Journey to 2025 video generation with a much better output. Runway, Sora, AIMCP. I'm not saying that AIMCP will be the tool of the future, but it's the starting point. And we've gone from image generation to 3D modeling within just 3 years. So by 2027, we might not even need to tell Rhino how to model the building. We just explain we will just explain the mood, and it will model the building for us. And it's learning from us. Every click, every move, every little prompt. So at the moment, Rhino AI MCP feels like your junior designer on the first day trying to model something. Eager, confused, but highly overconfident. But here's the thing, they learn fast. And one day you will realize you're not a teacher anymore. So yeah, it's rough around the edges, but If you don't, but if you ignore it now, you will regret it. This is not a plugin, it's a warning. See you in the next video. Hopefully. Do you think I'm real? And yeah, see you in the next video. Hopefully.